So I was just doing a normal gigi solo, hoping I get a new HF. I was so wrong. Yuppie med. Ran out of stam and too dumb to not use an item, then gets hit. Stopped wreck. I got super unlucky here. Failed skill check. Great. Failed skill check, cause not paying attention. Watch me struggle. I am doing this all BC. I was mid going upstairs, so I sat on the stairs. Panicked here a lot BC. I did not see twisted scraps in that spot and luckily did not get hit. Don't mind the spam. Anyways, I died, so bye-tism for watching me boring video. Bye.